Hello children, this video is about syllabus overview for grade 9 and grade 11. Since many of you asked for grade 9 and 11, so hopefully I make videos in the upcoming days. And if you find the videos useful, please share it with your friends and you can leave a comment if it is satisfying. So if I need to change in any places, please leave a comment so I can do that for you. And if you got any doubts to or to explain any of the concept in detail, you can ask for it in the comment section so I can help you. Hope these videos are useful. So coming to grade 9, we have 4 chapters here. Chapter 2 is about cell, tissues, third chapter. 11th is about reproduction in plants and animals, and chapter 12 is biodiversity. You can find this 9th standard as a base. Why? Because the same thing, not the same thing, few chapters from the 9th standard you learn it in 10th standard, and the remaining you learn it in your 11th and 12th. So 9th is your base, so prepare well because this gives you a clear idea what you're going to learn in the further classes. So if you're going to choose a bio group in plus 1 or plus 2, this 9th and 10th standard are really useful, so prepare well. Okay. So in first cell chapter, you will learn about what is a cell and you will learn about plant cell, animal cell and the internal components, their functions. Coming to tissues. So tissues are, we already know, you would have read it, the cell organization, cell, tissue, organ system. So you will have different types of tissues, plant tissue as well as animal tissues. So you will read all the tissues in detail. Then coming to reproduction in plants. So this chapter is a replica of the chapter that you have in 10th standard. So prepare this so it will be easy for you to learn in your grade 10. So this is about how reproduction takes place in plants as well as in human. So you will read about each and every parts of a plant flower as well as human reproductive structure in detail. Then is the biodiversity. This chapter is the base for your 11th and 12th, especially 11th standard. You have around 3 chapters in 11th standard. The classification, plant structure and animal kingdom. So all these 2 chapters is the introductory part here. So if you have a clear idea here, you can prepare your 11th first and 2 chapters easily. So biodiversity is all about how different plants and animals exist in the world and how they are classified into different groups, how grouping system help in understanding. So you will all read about in biodiversity. Coming to grade 11, so you have 5 units in grade 11. The first unit is about classification. So here you will read about the introductory part, why classification is important, how classification is done, and what basis and what are the criteria to make classifications. Everything you will learn in unit 1. Coming to unit 2, this is totally about plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Classification. So, what is the need for classification? To have a clear idea about what we are learning or what we are seeing. So, basically, classification was done into 2 major categories, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. So, you will read the plant kingdom completely and the animal kingdom completely in unit 2. Then there is a unit 3, cell structure and function. So, I told you, you have here cell structure and function. It is an introductory part and in detail you will learn it in grade 11. So cell structure and function, you will read about the different types of cell and their internal components in detail. Then there is a plant physiology. Physiology is the mechanism, how a plant works. Say for example, photosynthesis is an important process that takes place in a plant. So such process, such physiological process you will read in detail, like respiration. That is also a process that takes place. So that you will learn about plant physiology. And unit 5 is about human physiology. And this is a chapter that you would have written your 10th standard, life processes. So that is an introduction. So here you will learn everything, all the life process in detail. Along with, you will also find a new like movement and locomotion. You will read it in detail. So this is about the overall view for grade 9 and 11. Few tips I would like to share. The first thing is when you learn a chapter, have the habit of taking running notes. So that running notes will help you. Say for example, when you watch my videos, you can highlight certain points. You can take certain hints and you can write it in a sticky note or paste it in your textbook. So whenever you see that page or turn that page, you can simply see those hints that can immediately recollect what concept is there in these pages. So first is running notes will help you for sure. Second thing is you need to read your textbook completely. Don't simply rely on answers, just answers or memorizing concept. Please don't memorize things. Only understanding will help you. Science is all about understanding, not memorizing. So please understand the concept so that you can answer any question that is asked in exam. And third is prepare then and there. Don't prolong or don't pile up your works, because one fine day you will find it difficult. You will come across many hard words in the upcoming chapter. So those hard words will be easy only when you prepare then and there. So don't prolong or don't pile up your works. And if you got any doubts, please feel free to ask me either in the comment, or you can mail me the mail ID that I have given in the description. So hope all the best to the grade 9 and 11. Do well. Thank you, children.